How to check original iPhone battery health. So let's start. First of all, we need to open Safari browser, then search your iPhone battery shortcut. Open first website, scroll down. Here you can see how to check your iPhone battery cycle count. So tap on battery stat shortcut. Add shortcut, and here you can see battery stats add in shortcuts. So go back, open phone setting, privacy and security, open this, scroll down. Here you can see analytics and improvements, open this, analytic data, open this. Here select latest date data, tap on share option, tap on battery stats. So finally original battery health shows successfully. Thanks for watching.